Football fans in Somalia's capital, Mogadishu, enjoyed watching the first ever football match between two Somali sides to be shown live on television on Thursday as Horseid and Heegan contested the General Dawood Cup final. Now, this marks the first time that a match between two local Somali football teams has ever been broadcast live. The action on the pitch saw Horseid defeat Heegan 2-1 to lift the cup at the Stadium Banadir. The venue had previously acted as a training camp for the Islamist militant group Al-Shabaab before they withdrew from Mogadishu. Bile Gurhan, a football supporter and a Somali native who lives in the Netherlands, could not hide his surprise.
I arrived today from the Netherlands and never thought that such progress was taking place in this country. I was stunned by the sheer enthusiasm among the players. I believe there is real progress and the prevailing mood is one of hope and peace.
It is a great pleasure to watch a live match between Heegan and Horseid for the first time, which is a milestone in the history of Somali sports. I am extremely happy with this amazing achievement.